Hello everyone, today we have another programming video. Today we have a database programming project that I started with Rust over the last week before exam week got kicked off. Now that exam week's over and I have finished it, we can now review it. So this database system is built in Rust, the 6th out of 7th language for me to learn databasing in, leaving just JavaScript. And what this will do is it stores songs, artists, and albums within a database, allowing the user to do stuff like viewing them all by song, viewing them all by artist, viewing all the albums, adding songs, artists, albums, deleting songs, deleting full albums or deleting everything from an artist, viewing songs based on an artist, and viewing songs based on an album. This program project took a lot more lines of code than many of the other ones that are of a similar type. This one almost took 1,000 lines, about 902. And another note is that within this IDE I am unable to show you the database, so we will be using DataGrip on the side here. This is the current state of the database. We have 3 artists, Disturbed, Parkway Drive, and As I Lay Dying. And we have 4 albums. 2 of them are by Disturbed, 1 by Parkway, and the other by Lay Dying. So then we have songs. We have 1 from the album from As I Lay Dying, and then we have 2 from each of the Disturbed albums, and I don't have any listed from Parkway Drive. So here, let's add 1 for Parkway Drive. Just actually, you know what? We'll add it with the program. How about that? So let's start off hitting the run, letting it build. Let's start off by viewing all the songs in the DB. Hit 1, and now you can see DWTS, Stupefy, This Venom, Parallels, and Are You Ready? All the songs you saw here. Alright, let's do all the artists in the database. 2. Disturbed, Parkway, and As I Lay. So, artists, all here. Let's do View All Albums. 3. The Sickness, Darker Still, Powerless, and Evolution. There are 4 here, just as you see here. Let's go ahead and add a song to the DB. So hit 4, enter name of the song. Let's do a song by Parkway Drive. Let's do Glitch. It's in the same album. Okay, the ID, enter the ID of the artist. We are doing Parkway, so 2. And the album is Darker Still, that's why I chose this specific song. Now that it's in the database, we can go ahead, let's look at it. Within song, reload it, and you see Glitch has just shown up. Now let's add an artist to the database, 5. Now we enter the name of the artist. Let's add Linkin Park. Okay, so now look in here, and in the artist section, Linkin Park has now shown up. Let's add an album to the DB, 6. Enter 6, enter the name of the album. Let's do Hybrid Theory. Enter the name of the number of the album, the artist that this is meant to belong to. So we're doing Linkin Park. Now let's go to the albums, and now Hybrid Theory is here. Now, let's delete a song from the DB, 7. And it wants you to enter one, so let's delete Parallels, ID number 4. And take a look at songs. Parallels is right here. Now it's gone after you refresh the page. Let's delete an album. Keep in mind that when you delete an entire album, it will delete all the songs from that album as well. So enter 8. Now let's delete the album Darker Still, since we still have songs from it. Enter 2. First things first is that you'll notice under songs when we reload that Glitch disappears. Then in album, Darker Still, when you reload, disappears. Now let's delete an entire artist, all its albums, and all its songs from the database. Enter 9. And let's delete Disturbed. Enter 1. Now we should see that in artist, Disturbed will disappear. In album, the sickness and evolution will disappear. And in song, all of these will disappear. Now we need to add a few more so that we can display songs by artist and songs by album. So, real quick, songs by album, we will add a song to Hybrid Theory. Let's add The End. And that'll be the one we use for artist. For album, we'll add parallels back. Make sure I spell that properly. Okay. Now let's enter 10 to view by artist, and let's view all the songs that were created by Linkin Park, so 4, and you can see that The End showed up. Now view all the songs by album, 11. Let's do As Powerless Rise, 3, and Parallel shows up, and now let's exit the program. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.